Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how did I achieve this dimension to my natural looking face. So I am going to use Clinique Chubby Stick Sculpting Contour, and I have in the shade 01 Chubby Stick Contour Curvy Contour. You get around 6 grams of product for $31, and I see only one shade that's available on their website. Please let me know if more shades are available, but I see only one shade 01. So I'm just dotting my cheeks, and then I use my fingers to blend. These are very creamy, so it's so nicely, it blends very well. So creamy formula. You can even use a fluffy brush. This comes in retractable packaging that goes inside as well, so I really love the packaging. This even glides so smoothly and it's not sticky at all. Like it will not, your hair will not stick on your face as well. So creamy formula, not sticky. It gives a soft glow of warmth and also gives a beautiful dimension to my natural looking face. So I really love how the application is super easy and it really adds some color to my face. So you can define your cheekbones and it gives that sheer wash of color also over my eyes. So I am using this on my eyelids as well and blending it with my fingers. I have also applied it a little bit of tinted on my lips, so it's very creamy. You can even apply a lip liner to define your lips as well, so it gives that shape as well. So you can see it's kind of no makeup kind of look, or a soft, sun-kissed kind of look. I have applied on my forehead as well to give that, bronzy look, and I really love the texture and the application. It's super creamy and just giving that natural definition to my face. So I have not used any blush over here. This contour is more than enough to give that definition to my face. So here you go. I hope you guys like this look. I have also used a kohl, a Huda Beauty kohl, creamy kohl, so you can just define your eyes. I have smudged my eyeliner over here on the top of my eyeliner as well as the lower lid, so it gives a beautiful smoky eye look as well, along with that contour color. So I really love this, like for an everyday kind of look. This is so handy. So I have just used the kohl, Huda Beauty eyeliner, the contour stick and a lip liner, and that is optional. So I hope you guys like this look. All the links I'm going to share in my comment section below or in my description box. You can also check in my LTK shop. And if you do like this look, please don't forget to share this video to all your friends and family. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such short reviews. I'll be happy to create one. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My ID is just chill with Pam. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.